how's it going? So this video will just be a walk around in 4K of the exterior and interior of the Tesla Model Y Performance during the evening. So the sun is about to set and it's shining on the Tesla vehicle. This is a 2021 built in late July with the HEPA filtration. It does not have the upgraded interior dash, but I'm okay with that because it does have the contrast if you get the white interior. For the steering wheel wise, everything's the same. Now you do have heated steering wheel on all Tesla Model Y and 3. So this comes standard with the vehicle now. Prior to this, you only get heated seats, no heated steering wheel. Not that we need this in California, but it's nice to have when you're traveling in cold climate. You have aluminum pedals for the performance version. All the chromes are deleted. Actually, it's baked into the chrome, so it's going to be really difficult to peel off. If you like the chrome, all Tesla vehicle now comes with a chrome delete. Here's the rear seats with a full DENT child seat. Child seat link in the description if you're wondering which model it is. This vehicle is currently plugged into a RV electric panel with the J1772 adapter and also the NEMA 1450. So the cargo space is similar to that of the Model X. From the other side of the vehicle in the rear seats, again, you have huge storage compartment in the doors and access to the trunk. So those rear seats does recline or incline about 5 to 10 degrees. Here's the passenger side of the front seats. You have your controllers. You don't have lumbar support anymore for the passenger side. Lots of storage. Here's your Cybertrash from Evanex. And your center console, that does come in a space gray. We wrapped it with Tame wrap, wood wrap dash, and we also have the Jawa cup holders here. All the accessories you see here are modification, all linked in the description of this video with discount codes. We also have hidden compartments here, and that's tap test as well as the white cover. Inside the front compartment, you have another Jawa product that is the multi-USB A and C hub with the tray integrated, so it works in conjunction, so it doesn't take up any space. It's a sliding tray for glasses and other items that you like to store there. And then you also have your top fit storage and another Jawa phone mount. This is a MagSafe that will charge your phone. It actually charges your phone a lot faster, maybe 3 times faster than the Tesla wireless charger underneath the display. Your glove box, we also have another Jawa product. This is a memory card reader. It uses micro SD, so you have larger storage capacity that's more stable. I like the fact that this is a Cube USB-A plug, so it does not damage your USB port if you happen to put things in there and slam your glove box closed. And below here, between the seat and the door, you have your door sill, carbon fiber look from Top Fit. And then you have your controllers for all your doors and hinge to your front and trunk. The doors are not automated like the Model X. I also have a dash cam for 4K as well as a radar detector R7. Those works really well. Link also in the description of this video if you're curious where to find them. We have the DENT child seats, a sport seats. Our glass roof is tinted at 50% XPEL Prime XR Plus. So the front end does have PPF, and you can do it yourself pre-cut XPEL This is a Expel Ultimate Plus. It does cost up to $2,200 if you go to a professional, but if you use our promo code with Dry Protected, link in the description, you can get 20% off, as well as conversion rate. That can set you back only $400 to $600, depending if you want to do partial or full front Expel PPF. We do have videos and tutorial, and also link to Dry Protected, where you can watch their tutorial videos as well. It takes about 30 minutes per panel. The bumper may take up to an hour. So we do have Expel XR Plus on all windows. The front two windows are tinted at 20%. The rear windows with the fender and the back window at 70%. The lift gate is at 20%. Here's the cargo, very similar storage as the Model X. You have hidden compartment storage underneath the front cover as well as the front cover. Those are the Top Fit giveaways in the last video, so check it out if you're interested in that giveaway. Just subscribe, hit that notification bell, follow us on Instagram, and comment on the comment section in that video. Top Fit. These are 22-inch Uber wheels, Pirellis P0. So they are stagger setup. The rear are wider than the fronts. So you won't be able to rotate them, but it will give you good traction. We do have the new Matrix headlight, not operational yet in the US until legal approves it. So Matrix headlights allow you to not blind other vehicle, and it lights up the area surrounding the oncoming vehicles.